Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Addlon Solar String Lights. Now they are solar powered, waterproof and shatterproof, indoor-outdoor, remote controlled LED string lights with 3 brightness levels and 3 modes. Now these lights come in various lengths as well as different amount of light sockets. Here we are checking out the 12-socket, 36-foot string lights. One of the standout features of these lights is their dual charging options. Now the built-in solar panel absorbs sunlight during the day, converting it into electricity to charge the included rechargeable batteries. Now the solar charging offers a full charge with about 8 hours of sunlight. This means you don't have to worry about replacing non-rechargeable batteries or connecting the lights to a power source, making them extremely convenient and cost-effective. And when there is an urgent power requirement or an extended spell of cloud and rain, the USB charging option takes about 4 hours for a full charge. Another convenient feature is the ability to remotely control the brightness levels and modes via a remote controller, as well as turning them on and off. It also has a timing control feature, which allows for timer settings of 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, bringing an innovative shift to outdoor lighting. Now the installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Now these lights come with a stake for the solar panel placement on the ground, or it can be mounted on a wall. You can attach the lights to various surfaces such as umbrellas, fences, or tree branches using zip ties or twist wires. This versatility allows you to adapt the lights to different settings according to your preferences. They are built to last. Now these solar string lights are not just shatterproof but also waterproof thanks to their rugged plastic build and an impressive IP65 waterproof rating. These lights can withstand various weather conditions including rain and snow. Now this durability ensures that you can leave them outside without the fear of damage, providing peace of mind and extending their lifespan. The length of the string lights is adequate, allowing you to cover a decent area with illumination. The 36-foot long string is equipped with 12 LED bulbs, providing a warm and inviting glow. Now the spacing between the bulbs is sufficient to create an evenly distributed light pattern, creating a pleasant ambiance for your outdoor gatherings or camping trips. In conclusion, the Addlon Solar Patio LED string lights are a solid choice for adding charm and illumination to your indoor-outdoor spaces. Their dual USB-powered and solar-powered functionality, waterproof and shatterproof design, and easy installation make them a convenient and eco-friendly lighting solution. With their warm glow and versatility, these string lights are ideal for creating a cozy ambiance during outdoor gatherings or enhancing your camping experience. So if you want to check out these lights for yourself, the product link is down below in the video description. And with that, I thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.